California waves, you know, out here in Newport Beach. Southern California waves is really backed up, you know. This is really some backed up waves. Loving this beach. See the sun trying to come out. Oh yeah. Powerful waves coming. Today's August 18th, 2013. It's a Sunday. I'm on vacation, my first time out here. I'm loving this beach, you know. Too bad I can't live out here, but you know, it's all good. Most important, having fun. People out here with their families, couples. What more can you say? You know, it's like a happy day out here. Hopefully, you know, next time I come out here, you know, I could be able to hit more beaches, more things to do. Feel me? Palm trees, you know, people's homes. Go to boardwalk. Go. I see a sailboat. You know, I want to go on a sailboat one day. Look at that. Yep. Got people's homes, you know, people live out here or work hotels, whatever it is. It's California, folks. West Coast in the house. Orange County. I see the clouds trying to break away. Blue sky, the sun come out. Make this water be a lot more warmer than what it is. It's kind of chilling when you first get in the water, but you get used to it. Feel me? Bum ass bees to get out of my face. You're annoying as hell.